Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial, and today I'll show you the editing process of photography, that is the outdoor portrait photography, and how to make it more creative and outstanding, amazing, whatever you can tell. But you have to know the way how to make it the photo like this. So the main image was like that. So this one is a good image and nice image, but if you want to make it more amazing and if you want to get the extra feel and ambient light and everything and other stuffs, you can follow my steps to how to edit like this. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So I'm closing this window and I have that stock image, this one, and I'll give you that stock image download link in my video description. So check out my video description for the stock image and other plugins and other stuffs download link. So at first I'll make copy by pressing Ctrl J. It will make another layer of this background layer. This one is for the backup purpose, and now I'll edit this layer. So how to do that? And for that I'll use the plugins, I'll use that plugins which is camera filter, and in a Creative Cloud version you're getting this camera filter by default. And if you're the user of CS version, that means CS6, CS5, whatever, you can check out my video description. I'll give the manual download link of these plugins, that means the camera filter. And the main advantage of this filter is that you are getting all the panels like Lightroom, and you can make preset and you can use that preset for your express type editing. So here the small menu and go to the load settings option, and I'll give you that XMP file, this one, Moody Green Color, and open it up. You are getting, one click you are getting a nice look on your photography. So what I have done in the settings, let's see. In here the exposure, that is 0 and 0, and highlights -61, and shadow +57, and the whites, that is +30, and blacks -34. And I didn't touch the clarity, variance and saturation. And if I go to the tone curve, you're getting here some tone curve I used. Here I lock the curve, and here, and I just make it like that. And let's go to the blue curve. I just locked here and just a little bit down here. And the green as well, I have given here 3 blocks, and I just make the curve like that. And the red, this one, I just made it like that. So like a little bit warmy tone I just made. And here sharpening amount, that is the detail panel, here sharpening 50 or 49, it's up to you. And here the radius, that is the 1, and the detail, that is 25. And I didn't touch this one, luminance 28, noise reduction, actually don't make it more, and otherwise it will spoil your photo quality. So now the HSL, main basic things of this one, the hue, saturation and luminance. All the colors are here, like red, orange, yellow, green, aqua, blue, purple, magenta. So you can control all the colors from this panel, that is the HSL panel. And here I just made some changes, like orange color, that is the saturation -19, and yellow, that is -26, and green I made it -94, aqua -87, and blues I made it like -100. And hue I didn't change here, like green I made it like +77, aqua +79, blue, that is +81. Just before of I just made here like violet type. And here luminance, I made the luminance down of the green color, and that is -72, and aqua -74. So after that is split toning, the highlight tone value, that is 107, and the saturation 21. And here I balance, that is the 0, and the hue of the shadow, that is 252, and the saturation, that is 27. And I didn't use the lens correction, I used here like a camera calibration, that is for the color correction, color grading. Here the primary red color I made it +75, and the saturation, that is -53. Primary green color I made it -51, and saturation -16. And that's why I just got the moody effects. And here primary blue, that is -76. And let's see, before was like that and after one you're getting like that, and hit OK. So you're getting nice look. You can use that preset, and I'll give you that preset download link in my video description. That is the free of cost, and you can download this one and you can practice or you can apply in your photography. So after that, I'll make another copy of this layer, press Ctrl J, and then take a new blank layer and make the color like a little bit warmy. That is the code FFF4D5 and hit OK. And after that, go to the brush tool and select the brush, this one, and make the brush size around 200 pixel, or yeah, that's one, and select once. Before that, just checked out the opacity 100% and flow 100% and checked over here. So select once, you will get a like radius type gradient, and press Ctrl T. I'll make the size of this light bigger and just place over here. So for these I just made why I made that. So this one for like light is coming from the right side and just over in a model's face, and it's making like ambient light. And after that, go to the adjustment layer and then go to the levels and adjust a little bit if you need. Yeah, that's fine, that's good. And then select all the things and make it group. So make it group and make it merge, and then press Ctrl J again and go to the blending mode and make it screen, and right press and blending options. From here is the underlining layer, and find out the highlight, yeah, and divide this one by pressing Alt button and select here, adjust the light to the face and hit OK, and mask it and go to the image and apply image. So hit OK. Yeah, that's fine. The subtle lights, yeah, that's fine. If you need, you can change the opacity of this. Yeah, that's good. And select these two things, make it group and make it merge. And now I will add another effects from the Nik Collection. For that, go to the filter and Nik Collection, and here is the Color Effects Pro 4. And Nik Collection is another plugins for the Photoshop and photo editing. And if you want to get the download link of this Nik Collection, you can check out my video description. I'll give the download link over there. And from here, I'm using the cross processing, this portion, and here lots of methods. You can choose one of them and you can use that for your photography purpose. But in this case, I will use the C04 and hit OK. So it will take time to load it up and give you the final output you desired. So yeah, and let's see the before one. This one is nice image, I appreciate that, but I want to make it more amazing and artistic for the feels and like moody color, which is the warm type. So you're getting this. You can follow my how I edited this and how I make like this. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. I have lots of video tutorials. If you want to get that tutorials, you have to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and daily I'm just uploading my tutorials for you guys, and I hope that you learn a lot from this video. And if you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today, and bye bye.